This is the demo for Orange Screen Recorder, and I'm recording this video in Mono E2. And this is my phone camera, which I've connected. So there's another camera which I have, which is not of good quality. I'm using it for test. So if I'm changing the video input to this webcam, you can see my favoring, right? So yeah, so I'm gonna go back. So the test is actually I did few tests and probably this is buggy. The audio off, even the audio is off. You can listen to it. So I'm gonna fix that. Other than that, this app works. So what you need to do if make it work is connect. Share your camera and mic, give permission. So as you can see, I've given permission to camera and microphone, and then when you click on show your video will get displayed here. And then if you want to share a screen, click on share screen, and then click start recording. Right now it's in the recording, and if you want to stop, just click on stop. And once you have clicked on stop, the play recording will play. So this is a very minimum viable product right now, and I took it from an Adobe course, and I made it better using SW 1.5 AI, and I'm just testing this. I've never developed that product, and this is the first time I'm developing, and I like it. There's lots of bugs which I've encountered and I fixed, and still there is one more bug. There are a few more bugs I can see that. Yeah, I'm just very proud that I'm able to do this. Thanks.